This EKAT 10.1-inch car stereo offers full wired integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making calls, messages, and navigation feel like an extension of your smartphone. The large capacitive touchscreen is bright, responsive, and easy to read, which makes map viewing and menu navigation comfortable even during daytime driving. Wired screen mirroring support lets you project compatible Android and iOS phone apps so you can bring over maps, movies, and other media without fuss. Audio features such as equalizer adjustment, high-definition video playback, and solid Bluetooth connectivity give this unit surprisingly capable entertainment performance for everyday commuting. Support for steering wheel controls, the included external microphone, and the bundled backup camera make the system feel closer to a factory-integrated setup than a basic aftermarket deck. Installation into a single DIN opening is straightforward, and the adjustable floating display angle helps you position the screen to avoid glare and fit a wide range of dashboards.